Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to install Google Chrome on your desktop. First, open your current web browser, like Microsoft Edge or Safari. Then, type Download Google Chrome into the search bar and press Enter. Look for the official Google Chrome website in the search results and click on it. Once on the page, locate and click the prominent Download Chrome button. This will initiate the download of the Chrome installer file to your computer. After the download finishes, find the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. It's typically named something like Chrome Setup, EXE on Windows or Google Chrome, DMG on Mac. Double-click this file to launch the installation wizard. You might see a security prompt. Click Run or Open to proceed. The installer will then guide you through a few simple steps, often just requiring you to click Next or Install. Once the installation is complete, Google Chrome will typically open automatically. If it doesn't, you can find its icon on your desktop, in your Start menu, or in your Applications folder. The first time you open it, you'll have the option to sign in with your Google account. This allows you to sync your bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. You can also start customizing your browser's appearance and default settings right away. Now you're ready to browse the internet with Google Chrome. The Omnibox at the top serves as both a search bar and an address bar. Just type what you're looking for or the website address. To open a new web page without closing your current one, click the plus sign next to your open tabs. You can also enhance your browsing experience by exploring the Chrome Web Store for useful extensions, adding new features to your browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.